careful.
Don't worry. Phew, that was close.
Now it's your turn, Dury. Where's that sound coming from?
Aren't those cicadas?
How come they're all so loud?
Maybe interrupt cicadas. Why?
Hey, could you keep it down a little? We're trying to concentrate so we can build our rock tower.
All right.
Thanks.
Careful. Careful. Our tower fell because of the cicadas.
Aw, and we've been working so hard on it too.
What's wrong, children?
Mommy! Cicadas are way too noisy.
We asked them to please be quieter, but they won't stop.
Mommy, why do cicadas chirp so loud all day long?
Ah, it's because cicadas stay in the ground a long, long time, waiting for summer to arrive. When summer comes, they're ready to come out of the ground and chirp all summer long.
I see. Then we need to find a quiet place where we don't hear the cicadas all the time.
They're so loud! There's nowhere to run, nowhere to hide! Make it stop!
Squirrel, are you okay?
They're chirping over here. They're chirping over there. The chirping is making it impossible for me to sleep. I know. That noise is from the cicadas. Mommy said cicadas stay in the ground a long, long time, and then they chirp like that all summer long. What? You're kidding! All summer long? I have to put up with chirping all summer long? I can't do it. I can't take it anymore!
What are we gonna do?
Aha! I have a really good idea. We all know that any noise can be turned into beautiful music by a friend of ours, don't we?
Aha!
Huh?
So you want me to turn this chirping sound into beautiful music?
Yes. You can do it. Right, Maestro Bell Cricket?
But of course, this is clearly a job for the best musician in all the forest.
Wow! I knew we could count on you, Maestro Bell Cricket.
Quiet, everyone! From now on, you shall sing along with me, the great Maestro Bell Cricket. And a 1, 2, 3, 4.
We don't want to. We like chirping.
Huh? Stop chirping, start singing! 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop chirping and start singing, I tell you!
What is this? Maestro Bell Cricket's only made it worse!
There's gotta be a way. Aha! Maestro Bell Cricket, how about if we all started playing music?
All of us play music, you say?
Yes.
Oh, that is a terrific idea! Well, are we all ready to start playing?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Chug, chug, puff, let's ride with the birdie family, laughing all the way. What is this music? That's beautiful! Let's sing along! Tip, tip, tap, let's tap our feet to the music, dancing to the song.
More energy!
job, my chicks. A 1, 2, 3.
What was that?
Oh, sorry, it was a mistake.
Not so loud. Bobby, try to blow gently.
Okay, sorry.
It's okay, Bobby. We all make mistakes. All right, let's do it one more time.
Okay.
A 1, 2, 3.
What's wrong with this? Is it broken?
Give it to me. Let me try.
No, it's my reed pipe.
Give it to me for 1 second.
Oh, my bottom.
Be careful, kids.
It's broken.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, Bobby needs a new pipe now.
I'll go and get one. Pipe, which one should I take? Oh, this looks perfect. Oh, why does it sound so bad? Wow, it's beautiful. Where is it coming from?
Hey, you! Who are you to interrupt my great playing?
Oh, hello. My name is Bobby. Your sounds are so great.
Well, of course. I'm Maestro Bell Cricket, the musical genius of the forest.
Wow, that's amazing.
Is this pipe yours?
Yeah, but it doesn't sound good.
Let me see. It's a great reed pipe.
Wow, how did you do that? I can never play the reed pipe like that.
Oh, yeah? Well, show me.
What?
Go ahead. I want to see you play.
Okay.
No, stop! Stop! That was terrible. Well, I've never listened to such awful playing. Now, come up here.
What? Okay.
Okay, now play again. Stop! Posture! Your posture is poor. Relax your muscles.
What?
And your shoulders. Pull your tummy in. It doesn't go in. Well, you'd better stretch your body first. Let's do some stretches now. Hop. Faster. Good. Very good. Continue this with the pipe on your lips. Blow it.
Wow, that sounded great.
Ha! Of course. Who did I say I was?
Maestro Bell Cricket.
I'm bored. When is Bobby coming back? I don't think he's found the pipe yet.
Right, chicks. Let's go and look for Bobby.
Okay. I hear the reed pipe. Bobby was this good. But Mom, who's that over there?
Oh, it's Maestro Bell Cricket. He's the best musician in the forest. Should we play together with them?
Yes! Bobby!
These are my little brothers and sister.
All right. How about we play together?
A 1, 2, 3, ah!
Wow, this is great! I'm so excited for this. Is this where Mr. Bellring's gonna have his concert?
Mm-hmm. I'll find a seat first.
Wait for us!
Wow, I feel great. This is gonna be so much fun.
We can't wait either!
I'm glad my chicks are so excited. But remember, don't make a loud noise during the concert. It's not polite.
Why though?
It's for the other people. Most of them are here to listen to music and don't want to be interrupted.
Oh. Well, sure. But what if I get really excited? What do I do?
Well, you still have to stay quiet. Shh.
Make
Sure to be quiet during the concert.
Slow down, honey.
Yahoo! It's a concert!
Zebra, don't run around like that at the concert. Let's sit here.
Okay.
I thought you had to be quiet at a concert.
Anna, when does it begin?
Soon, my dear. Just sit tight.
Huh? Oh, hi there. My name is Zeb.
Hello!
Shh. Please stay quiet during the concert. Okay.
Sorry. This is his first time at a concert.
Oh, it's okay. He's just young and excited.
Mommy, the concert's starting.
Wow!
This music is wonderful. La la la. Da 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 da. La la la. Zeb keeps moving around.
I'm sure he's just very excited. Shall we ask him to sit still?
Hey, Zeb. Hey, Zeb. Huh? What? Shh. Hey, could you not move around like that? Why not? Whenever I listen to music, I just want to dance.
The sound. Huh?
Woohoo!
Huh? Huh.
Children!
Hey, Zeb, stop running around!
Can't stop, won't stop.
What is this sound? This sound!
Anyone hurt?
That's what that sound was. Yeah, it was you the whole time. Making noise with your hooves.
I'm sorry about this.
Can you dance to the music again?
Huh?
My music, it's always been missing something. But then you started dancing. I think it needs that excitement. Eureka! Keep that up, kid! This music is for everyone. This will be the most fun concert to ever happen!
Wow! I'm ready to
Jump the rope, jump the rope, jump the skipping rope.
Jump the rope, jump the rope, jump the skipping rope.
Oh, are you okay, Chip? Oh no, Mom. Chip's hurt.
Oh, Chip!
Are you okay, Chip? Oh, my wing hurts. Oh.
Are you all right? I'll put this grass bandage on and then blow on the wound to ease the pain. How do you feel now?
Wow, it doesn't hurt anymore. Wow.
Then let's keep playing with the skipping rope.
Okay. What's that sound?
Could he be a monster?
A monster? Let's go check! The sound is coming from there.
I think I've heard this sound before.
Mom, I'm scared. Let's go back home.
No, let's go in.
Oh no, it's too dark there.
Then let's hold hands and have a quick look. How about that?
Okay.
Okay.
That way, over there. Mom, I can see someone there.
Oh, it's a young wild dog.
Oh, he seems to have hurt his paw.
Oh. Hi. Who are you? My name is Chip, and these are my siblings. We can help you.
I'm just fine. Don't come near me. You'll get better quickly if we help you. I said I'm fine. Just go. Oh.
Hey, wait up!
It's the sound we heard. Oh, so it wasn't a monster.
But Mom, why does the young wild dog keep crying?
The wild dog cries to call his friends and family.
Well, we could be his friends and help him.
Let's wait for a little while.
Okay.
Why isn't anyone answering me? Go! Why are they looking at me?
I think he's hurt his leg.
Stop following me! Why are you guys...
Hey, it's dangerous. We got him. Phew. After putting this on it, then I'll blow on the wound. How are you now?
I think I feel better, maybe.
But I feel much better like this. Want me to try again?
No, I do feel better.
Oh, I'm glad you feel better.
My friends!
and I feel much better now. Thank you, little pheasants! You're welcome! Bye-bye! Bye, little pheasants! Bye-bye! See ya! Here, subscribe to our channel.